Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that gold is continuing the upside. In our previous videos also, we discussed many times that as long as gold is trading above 2600, we should just consider this to be as a correction. And yes, our expectation was right. It was just a correction, and we can see that gold is continuing the upside because we have been looking at the higher time frames like the weekly and daily, and gold is teaching us every single time. Because whenever we felt that okay, finally gold is giving us some indication of a trend reversal, gold proved us wrong, isn't it? Okay, so that's why we discussed that okay, we need to be on buy only. So if gold shows a deeper retracement, then again we need to accumulate gold around the retracement levels. And now we can see that gold is flying again. So where should we trade now? Okay, so my dear friends, let's look at the market sentiment first. So gold moves higher as US producer prices eases in September. Gold prices rose early on Friday after another US inflation measure eased last month. So it was the reason why market went up, and you must not forget that the geopolitical tension is still going on. And as long as the geopolitical tension remains, okay, I think chances of gold going for a deep retracement or trend reversal is very less. I know that many of you are waiting for gold to head towards 2100, 200 because 2000 2000 level, 2100 level. I receive comments every day, okay, on my videos. But my dear friend, we must understand that there is no fundamental reason for gold for a trend reversal, and without any strong, solid fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. It is not possible because fundamentals give direction to the market. If you believe that there is a resistance, gold will be going down. No, you are wrong. Technicals are useful for entry and exit only. Fundamentals give direction to the market. And right now, more or less, gold is bullish because of the fundamentals. Stay in touch with the news also because market is very sensitive. If any news comes out during the weekend regarding Israel or Iran, then obviously gold will be flying high. In that case, it will be impossible to stop gold. Okay, so if you have a buy on gold right now as a positional trader, as a swing trader, you can hold your buy position because further upside is possible because market sentiment is bullish. Again, I'm repeating, if you have a buy on gold right now as a positional trade, swing trade, you can continue with the buy position because gold sentiment is bullish right now. I won't say very bullish, crazy bullish. No, not like that. But yes, overall it is bullish. So it is wiser to be on the buy position only. Okay, and if you're stuck on a sell right now, if you have any sell position around 2620, 2600 or 2630 area, then try to exit on retracement. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, listen to me carefully. If you're looking for fresh position in the market, instead of day trading or scalping, try to buy gold at retracement and sit on a position. Because if the trend of the market continues, then obviously it will continue for the next couple of days. And if you scalp in this market, if you look for 40-50 pips in this market, then obviously you will be losing a huge chunk of the profit. We are traders, we need to be flexible. When market will give you opportunity to make good amount of money, you should grab it. When market condition will be uncertain, when the direction will be uncertain, it will be wiser for us to look for quick entry and exits only. But a trader needs to be flexible. And right now we can see that overall the market sentiment is bullish. So yes, holding positions can be a good thing to do, but only buy. Okay. So again, I'm repeating, if you have any ongoing buy on gold as a swing trade, as a position, you can continue. If you have any ongoing sell, try to exit at retracement because if gold continues the upside, you will lose your capital. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously it is better for us to look for buy at retracement. Considering the ongoing market sentiment, buy at dip. What? Buy at dip. Let me write it down. Buy at dip is the best trading strategy. Means whenever market come for retracement, we get the best price to buy. Okay, so in this case, we are simply using FIBO here because we can clearly see the dynamic supports are far away from the current market price. So for FIBO, we have used two levels. We are using the normal FIBO here. Okay, from the normal point, we can see that while drawing the FIBO, market, the first level is coming in on 2648. So on Monday, those who are looking for a fresh position, the market opening is going to be important. If market comes for retracement, listen to me carefully. After market opening, if market comes for retracement, then we can look for a first buy position to be around 2648. Okay, and if we change the FIBO starting point here, we can change a little difference in the levels. We can also see now we have another support around, okay, another support on 2646 area, around this particular area. So we have 2648 to 2646 as the first level where we can look for a buy position on the chart of gold as a buyer, okay, not as a day trader. If you want to go for a buy, hold a buy, you can do that as well. But if you, again I'm repeating, if you want to scalp, then you will be losing a huge chunk of the profit. You can also see, my dear friend, that we also have another support on 2650 area. To be honest, okay, I'm not much convinced regarding 2650, but it was the resistance, remember? So the same resistance will also be working as support here. So on Monday, if you see market is coming down with small candles, means volume is low. And usually we don't get to see much volume. ज़्यादा volume हमें देखने को नहीं मिलता है on Monday. In that case, we can also look for a buy around 2650 area as well. But keep in mind, in comparison, 2646, 2648 is a better level. Again, repeating, my dear friends, keep in mind volume is going to play a major role. These are levels, but they are not permanent. Our capital is limited. So once market will come down to a level, observe the market first. If you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. Suppose market surprises us with a big red candle at the market opening, then obviously you need to use your common sense and just avoid it. Okay. And if market doesn't come for retracement after the market opening, sometimes market is very bullish at the opening, isn't it? If that happens, we can look for a buy above 2662, yesterday's high here. But always keep in mind, buying at retracement is always a safer entry in comparison to buy at breakout, and especially on Monday market, because for a proper breakout, volume is extremely important, and usually we don't get to see much volume during the first half of Monday. And if you look at the higher time frame, this is the weekly chart of gold, we can see that on the weekly chart, gold has shown considerable price rejection from below. Okay, if you can also consider this to be as a hanging man, kind of, not a precise hanging man, but kind of a hanging man. Okay, but to be honest, okay, let's not waste time on the weekly chart because we have discussed plenty of times about the weekly chart and we have gained nothing. Okay, if you look at the daily chart of gold, we can see that after some correction, gold is about to go up again. There is a good chance that yes, this upside may continue. If that happens, okay, if that happens, you can expect that gold will break 2685 this time, because on the daily chart, if we observe the market structure, market is breaking the previous high and going up. After this retracement, do not expect that gold will reverse from 2685 again. This time it will break 2685 and head towards 2700. So let me wrap it up, my dear friends. As we have already seen, the market sentiment is more bullish, so we can expect the market to continue the upside. So in the next few days, if gold remains bullish, it is better for us to be on the buy position only. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold, you can continue with the buy position because there is no indication of a trend reversal yet. And those who are still hoping for a 2000 level to 2100 level, okay, I have nothing to say. You need to respect the trend of the market, because without any strong fundamental reason, trend reversal is not possible. I'm sorry to break your heart. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market opening is going to be very important for you. Okay, why? Because you are looking for fresh position, and for you, buy at retracement or buy at dip is the best trading strategy. After the market opening, if we see gold coming down, okay, then we can look for buy around 264648 area. But if gold's volume is very low, okay, then we can also look for buy around 2650 area. And if there is a big red candle on gold and gold is starts coming down, then we can also look for support around this 2640 2642 area as well. I'll come on Monday to explain. And if gold doesn't come for retracement, because sometimes the market sentiment is so bullish that it doesn't come for retracement. We have seen plenty of times on gold, isn't it? बहुत बार देखा हमने. In that case, we can look for a buy breakout above 2662. But keep this in mind, buying and breakout is little riskier because of false breakout, okay, in comparison to buy at retracement. So if you go for a buy at breakout, please follow proper risk management. Just risk only 1 to 2% of the capital only. बहुत ज़्यादा risk मत लीजिए. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Spend some quality time with your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care. And happy Dasera.